Huawei's new Mate 70 series phones allow users to transfer content between devices using hand gestures. By simply making a grabbing motion in front of the phone and unclenching their fist near another Huawei device, users can share images or files seamlessly. This feature uses advanced sensors and cameras under the screen. The Mate 70 lineup includes 3 models, the Mate 70 starting at $760, Mate 70 Pro, and Mate 70 Pro Plus up to $1,173. It is seen as a rival to Apple's iPhone 16 in China. These phones run on Huawei's HarmonyOS Next, which doesn't rely on Android apps, though users can choose a version compatible with Android. The Mate 70 Pro Plus boasts premium features like a triple camera system with 100x zoom, a 5700 mAh battery supporting fast charging, satellite communication for no-signal areas, and AI tools for productivity. It's water and dust-resistant IP68, and equipped with Huawei's own tech as the company pivots from US components due to sanctions. Currently, the Mate 70 series is only available in China. Huawei also unveiled the Mate X6 foldable phone, a smartwatch, and an electric vehicle at the event.